All right, I've been rocking my pink Rowan now for about 2 months. It's time to transfer over to my new bag. I'm to empty out all the cards and stuff from this bag that I've been rocking. We start with the wallet changeover. So I've been rocking the pink one. So I have two choices to use. I can either use this black one or this black one. I'm not really sure which I want. This is the new bag, so I figured one of these would go really nicely with it. I'm just not sure which one I want to carry to. I'm thinking the puffy one. Yeah, because I've really been liking the small wallets, and you know what, I think, but because, you know, with the brown detail too, I think it might be nice. But this is really a big wallet, and this is a big bag, and I think it might go well. I don't know which wallet I should choose. I've never used either one of these, so I mean, we've got this. You know what, I think I'm gonna go for the puffy wallet because I'm coming from a small wallet, so let's just continue to a small wallet. And what I can also do, so I always keep two bags downstairs when I'm existing. So I've got my carry bag, and then I've got like a smaller crossbody bag. So what I can always do is bust out this bag as the crossbody. I don't think, have I ever even used this bag? I think I have. But this wallet matches this, so we can go from that wallet to this bag. You know, we can keep these both downstairs, right? Kind of makes sense? All right, let's get going. I do love this bag. It's just not very spring. I really love the turn lock closure on this bag too. I think it's so detailed. It's such a cute little detail. And when I was in Coach, as you guys saw in the last video, I did put this bag style together while I was in store, and they let me just keep everything on there and check out. So, you know, usually what they'll do is take all the stuff off and then just like make you buy the new one. But this was the last bag that they had in the store. So I thought that this style's really cute. Look at how adorable that is. And it's simple, and we're gonna add a scarf. I'm gonna add this scarf to it to tie in with the little red strawberry. Ooh, I can't wait. Don't get me wrong, I love this pink, and I'm sure I'll go back before too long, but I have a lot of bags. Okay, I mean like a lot of bags, and that's not even all of them, and I've been neglecting them, so it's time to change it up a little bit. Okay, I love this wallet. I love the signature series in leather. Like signature leather is just like, is like one of my favorites. One thing I couldn't find today at Coach was something to substitute for this. I really love this mini bag. It's a bag charm, and I've been keeping my keys in it. So I'm looking for something to attach to the straw bag so I can use that as a key holder, because I've really gotten used to that. I really enjoy that quite a bit, actually. What I do now is empty my bag with all my stuff. I mean, how many lashes could I have in a bag? How many lipsticks can I have in a bag? I mean, it's really absurd. So many lipsticks. And what I'll do is I'll put a lot of this stuff away, and then I'll just kind of redo my bag, if you will. What I didn't realize about this bag, it's reversible. Whenever it has the little Coach signature in here, that means you could reverse it. Huh, I love that. Okay, and it looks like, I think it's leather on the inside. All right, that's awesome. I got it together. Let me show you guys. It looks so cute. Look at how cute that looks. I just put like the little red scarf on the corner. These straps are too long to have it on the entirety of it, but this looks so cute. How adorable is that? I love this. So cute.